Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. Uh, we are all enjoying the holidays, but I just said that it would be nice to reach out to my subscribers out here and let us know what the markets have for us this week that's leading us to 2021. For some of us, we've just shut down for the year and planning for what the markets most likely give to us for the new year. If you're new here, I would like you to click the subscribe button and the bell notification just beside it. That way you'll be notified as soon as I upload new videos. And if you found these videos beneficial to your trading, I'd like you to click the like button and share with your friends. We're looking at this new week of December the 28th to January the 1st. Like I said, we had little or no volatility on Friday, which was Christmas Day, because we were all on holidays. And let's see, we most likely might get volatility towards the end of the year, but I would also advise you trade cautiously on the 31st. And of course, first most likely will be a holiday for everybody, but 31st, leading up to a new year, I'd like you to trade very cautiously. If you can, just stay out of the market. And the opinions I'll be putting out here is basically my opinion, what the market is going to do for this week, looking at this week that's ending the year. And with that said, let's just go straight to the business of the day. Our analysis for last week was quite to the peep. We saw gold hit up. In fact, as we just opened the week, we saw gold go straight to our targets for based on our analysis for the week. And based on day trading, I still had to take some new positions after that. Take profit. Of course, I do. I'm a day trader, and I trade on a daily basis. And I looked at. I still collected some good pips from the market, and it's quite a joy to also share the same with you even now. So let's just look at straight up what the market's going to give us this week. On my screen, I'm looking at the the pound dollar pair, and we've based on the price action we got here, we're seeing price rallied all the way up to this region. We had a little retracement and we've gone to break it, but we've not closed above the high of 4 weeks ago. We've had a good rush to this area. We've not quite broken and closed above it. So I'm still looking forward to seeing a retracement. We might have something that looks like a breakout build up that will finally break out of this zone way to the upside. That's eventually based on price action. So let's look at what the daily time frame is saying. Yeah, on the daily time frame, we saw this huge gap. We had the gap down for this past week, and price has gone ahead to fill it, but not. It has closed above it, but we still have rejections at this area. So I'm looking forward to a retracement that will take us down into the 1.3428 area. For let's say 1.23430 area before we go up to the upside. But by the price action we've seen here, I want to see a retest of this highs first of all when the markets open. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. Getting something like that here. 1 hour will be better. Yeah. So I'm looking forward to seeing. Let's have a retest of the tops here at the 1.3585 area. We could go a bit higher than that, but a retest of the 1.3585 area, we could go as high as 1.36. Then we'll begin to look forward to reverse our sell trades from there. That will take us as low as the 1.3435 area first of all. If we have deep surge downwards, we could go as low as the 1.3385 area, which is this region here, where price has broken and closed above. We could retest that first of all. If we get any reversals to go up, we'll go back to retest these highs. So um, for this new week, we might, it depends on what the volatility is like, is to get this retracement up here and sell. We'll sell as low as 1.3430 area and watch price action as it unfolds. If we get that move to retest this broken resistance that will turn to a support here, look for reversals again to retest these highs. I don't see volatility being so high as to give us huge moves in the market, but that's what I see price doing based on the price action I have here. The retest of these tops when we open and sell to this region 1.34 1.3430 area. First of all, we get reversals from there. We would look forward to going as high back to the top again. But if we don't have that retracement here, we still go bearish. The next key level, which is the resistance just broken at the 1.3385 area, look for reversals around here also to still test the highs. We could play price action could play, most likely play around this zone for this new week. The next I'll be looking at is the Aussie yen pair, and for this pair we also took profits. We didn't quite get to the we didn't quite get to the targets set at the one day 79 handle, but we were quite close to that point. We got as high. Let's go to the weekly. We got as high as the 78.85 area. And let's look at the daily time frame. Now, with what the price action has done so far, I'm still looking forward to having a retracement from this zone, a retracement that would bring us to retest the 78.58 area. Yeah, 78.5 area. We could see, which is about this zone, 78.58 area. First of all, if we have a short to downside, we're looking forward to seeing prices get to the 78.30 area, but it's just a retracement for us to still go to the upside. Just retrace into this zone and aim for the next key level of resistance at the 79 handle for the Aussie yen pair. We want to see retracement into the 78.50 area or as low as the 78.30 area for us to go back to the 79 handle. The next I'll be looking at is gold, and we had that rush to the upside. I was looking forward to seeing price get to the 1900 handle and maybe as high as 1912 handle, which we didn't get. We didn't get the 1912 target. We got we got as high as 1906 before we had the retracement. Now with what we have here, the price action here, we most likely will have price action go to the upside with gold. We could go as high as retesting the 1900 handle. We closed at the 1879 area. I'm looking at the daily time frame right now. The weekly, from the weekly, we have a spinning top for last week. But I'll be looking forward to some bit of getting something like a double top here when we retest the 1900 handle based on the price action we have here. Based on the price action we have here, let's look at the 4-hour time frame. Let's see what we can make out of this. Now on the 4 hour time frame, we might have a retracement before we go to test the upside, little retracement, and seeing that a retracement of these highs for us to have a reversal. We look forward to reversal at the 1900 area. If we don't have that, we have a break and close above that, we'll be going as high as the 1912 area. That's the next key level of resistance. And if we have a break and close above that, we will look forward to get to the 1929 handle. We might not get there. Well, Forex is a game of probabilities. We might not. But it depends on the price action. But what I can see price do now is a retracement for us to go to retest these highs. If we make a double top here, then we'll be looking forward to selling, going as low as the 1861 handle once we have the double top here. That's for gold. The next I'm looking at is the dollar Canadian dollar pair, and we really took profits in this pair to the peep. We got just a small retracement and went as high as what we I looked at in the analysis. We got as high as 1.2957 area. For my analysis, I gave the 1.29 handle. We surpassed it, but we didn't close above. Did we close above? Not quite, but we had that move. Now we've got a reject. We saw price come back down and has been rejected from that area. There's a rejection candle here on Friday. So let's look at the weekly and let's see if we can do a top-down analysis. So most likely, yeah, we have higher closes for this past 2 weeks for the dollar Canadian dollar pair. So I'm looking forward to seeing this week field or a retest of it, and that's what the price action also is giving us here. We've gotten a rejection here, so we're going back to retest the highs. I'm looking forward to a double top maximum here, except we break and close above the highs at the 1.2957 area. Once we get a break and close above that, we'll be going to the next key level of resistance. That's way up here. That's the 1.30 handle. But basically, I'm looking for a retest of this stop. Just look forward to playing to the highs here, and that will be my maximum for this week. We could have a retracement there or a break and close above these highs. But what's sure here is this move of price to the upside here for the dollar Canadian dollar pair. The next I'm looking at is the dollar yen pair. And for this pair, we just did that move to this zone. That's as high as we've gotten so far. But what we have here, we've had price come down, has been rejected here, and we have a somewhat something that looks like I call it bullish engulfing after this retest. Yeah, signaling that price is most likely to go to the upside. So going to the upside, we're looking forward to seeing price get to the 104 handle. That's about 104.05, or let's say the 104 handle. Essentially, for us, if we clear that, then we'll be looking forward to going to the next key level of resistance at the 104.45 handle up here this way. So, but we have to see that test of the 104 handle, and if we have a break and close above it, we'll go as high as the next key level of resistance at the 104.40 area. The last I'll look at is gold. I don't want this video to be too long. It's just for educational purposes. And just for those who would want to trade this last week. Now, okay, for this, what do we have? I was looking for the retracement here. We've gotten that retracement. We most likely would go continue to the downside with this pair. From what we have here, would most price most likely would come down to the 1.2040 area from the price action I have here. Yeah, we've gotten that moved the downside. We had a retest of these highs, we rejected, and we still had an inverted hammer here. So the next key level I'll be looking for, the next key level here is the 1.20 handle. But we could, we depends on what price action gives. We might not come as low as that, but I see price getting to the 1.2075 area, or maybe a bit lower. But we need to get that. Once we get that move into this zone and we have huge, good bearish momentum, I think we can go as low as hitting the 1.200 handle. But I'll be bearish on the euro dollar pair. Well, that will be that for this week. We've had a wonderful year, a year with so much ups and downs, with the market, with the virus and the pandemic. But I'll urge you to stay safe, plan your year ahead, and Happy New Year in advance. See you in the next video.